So here we have the Mini Cooper 1.5 hatchback 3-door on a 14 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we're going to hop in and I'll run through some controls on the inside. As you'll see from the outside, as I mentioned, it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll notice we've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat and a deep boot, so actually a lot more boot space than the external dimensions would have you believe. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll jump in and run through a few controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Okay, so just before I jump in, I think it's worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition. There's plenty to run from the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, we've got the speedometer in the middle, and then beneath that a trip computer that displays the total miles on this car, which are 15,840. You can change the rest of the information that's displayed up there by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk. And if you leave it on this one, the digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see, that will go large after a few seconds and is quite handy, really easy, very, very visible. If we move over to the stereo area here, we've got a choice of ways of listening to music on this car. So when it comes to the radio, we've got AM, FM and DAB digital radio. And then with regards to multimedia, all of which is selected up on here, we have got, as you can see, a USB plug-in, auxiliary plug-in. We can also stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once we pair a phone. So you can pair the phone, you can listen to music and obviously make and receive phone calls as well. Beneath that we've got the air conditioning for the car. So direction of the air is this dial, fan speed is this one, and then temperature over this far side here. And then we've got rear screen heater at the bottom, and that button there will turn the air conditioning on or off. At the very bottom here, this button will turn off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn that off should you wish to. This button starts and stops the engine of this car. So as long as the key is in the car, you better start the engine by pushing that button. And that turns off the traction control should you wish to. Beneath that, we've got a 12-volt charging socket under this cap, the USB and auxiliary plug-in that I mentioned a moment ago, and then a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to give any of our MJA sites a call. We'd love to hear from you soon.